Adding voice effects to your videos on TikTok is a great way to make them more engaging and entertaining. In this video, I'll show you how to add voice effects to your videos using the built-in tools in the app. After watching this video, you'll be able to add all sorts of fun and exciting voice effects to your TikTok videos. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First, let's open up the TikTok app and ensure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new TikTok. You can record a video right now or upload one from the gallery. So for the purpose of this video, I'm simply going to upload a random video from the gallery. So now in order to add voice effects to your video, tap on this option called Audio Editing on the right side of the screen. And now you have all of these voice effects that you can use on your TikTok video. You can swipe through these and simply pick anything that you like. You can also check this to replace the original sound with a recording. And you can record your voice by tapping on the record button over here. Once you have selected the voice effect, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. And now you can add text to this, add stickers to this, and basically add anything that you typically add to your TikTok videos. After that, all you have to do next is simply post this on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.